Look it, that tornado's touching the freaking ground. Watch the cars. I'm recording this. Man, that's a bad tornado. I told you guys. Watch it, I'm recording it. Look at that shit. But watch the road, we don't want to wreck. You don't have to go that fast, Shar. Watch it. We won't, it's going that way. Check that out. Oh, a lot of people got cameras? Call like 40 or some cameras looking at, we're watching a tornado right fucking now in front of our eyes. And here in Colorado, shit. Keep watching the road, sir. Look at that. Big ass tornado, oh my god. What if all kinds started dropping down here on Earth? That's how the end of the world's gonna be. That's why I hope God takes me on the first round. Watching stuff like that's scary, huh? Look at Mother Nature, man. No wonder people freaking trip on this shit. Okay, Shark, not coming this way. Whoa, I never thought I'd see a tornado in my lifetime. Tell them I'm filming it. It's going away now. There were no houses there though, huh? Shit. That was a freaking trip. I want to watch this now.